One Up Candy came out with sour belts, so let's try them. There's our strawberry, rainbow. That I'm most excited for is blue raspberry because that's definitely one of my favorite flavors in a candy. Start off with the strawberry. Okay. They are definitely sour, but they're not too sour. I love the crunch on the outside. Try the rainbow next. Love all of the colors on this one. It's so pretty. Wow, there's so much flavor in that. There's like a lot going on. Okay, that one. This one is definitely more sour than the strawberry. I'm assuming just because of all the different flavors that it has. It's really good. This is the last flavor, and it's blue raz. I'm so excited for because I love blue raz anything. That is so pretty. Yeah, this one's good. I like this one the best. They're all definitely a 10 out of 10. They all just have their own unique flavor. I love the crunch on the outside of them. I definitely recommend these.